In this video, I'll show you how to fix if Shein payment was failed. So first of all, you need to open the Shein app. Then you need to click Me in the bottom right menu. Click the gear icon in the top right. And right here, you will see this option, which is called Clear Cache. So you need to clear your cache, guys, and this will help you to fix this problem. But if you still have got the problem with the payment, you can do another thing, guys. You can delete your current payment option. For example, if you entered your credit card, you need to delete it and re-enter your credit card information, guys, and try to pay on Shein, guys. But if you still got the problem with the payment, I'll show you the last thing you can do. You need to completely close the Shein app. Then you need to delete the app, guys. Uninstall the app. Then go to the Play Store or App Store and download Shein again into your device. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.